Welcome back. The second most important topic in SAP as the best ERP system is the cloud technology. As we all know, cloud computing offers any business with lots of benefits. It allows you to set up what is essentially a virtual office to give you the flexibility of connecting to your business anywhere and anytime. With a growing number of web-enabled devices used in today's environment, like smartphones and tablets, access to your data is even more easier. Now, the questions are, what makes the cloud so catchy? What SAP has made to bridge the cloud gap? Well, SAP research and development team is always well ahead of the market and quick in suggesting a change. With the efforts of the research and development team, SAP has introduced a ton of cloud-based solutions, including its signature product called HANA, that runs both on cloud and on premise. Now, speaking about the cloud offerings, businesses are greatly benefited with its benefits like reduced IT costs, scalability, business continuity, collaboration, and flexibility of work, and much more. A recent analysis tells that adopting the cloud, SAP has saved reduction in the rates of IT infrastructures, purchases of new hardwares and softwares, energy consumptions, costs that involves the subscriptions of the products. Most importantly, the time delay that are occurring every now and then. From my experience, cloud offerings will prevent much more problems like server down issues. Your live site gets affected when you're having an infrastructure maintained at one end. But these problems are avoided when you're using the cloud technology. SAP's cloud technology has got a great welcome among its customers and among its learners. Thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next session.